Welcome back to a session focused on reducing anxiety in your world. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow your body to relax. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold that breath for a moment, and now exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Feel the weight of your worries lifting with each breath. Let's do this together. Inhale deeply once more, envisioning fresh, calming energy filling your body. Hold it again, feeling the stillness within. And now breathe out, imagining stress and anxiety leaving you like a fleeting cloud. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily. With each inhale, visualize calmness washing over you. With each exhale, release any thoughts cluttering your mind. Allow yourself to surrender to this moment, embracing a sense of safety and comfort. Picture a soft wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head, gently cascading down your neck, shoulders, and arms, easing tightness along the way. As you breathe, remind yourself that you are safe, you are in control, and peace fills your body and mind. Immerse yourself in this serene space, letting all distractions fade away. Acknowledge this gift of time dedicated to your well-being and self-care. You deserve this moment of tranquility,